Hello and welcome to another studio vlog. In this studio vlog, we are going to be packing my mystery Oopsie bags. So you can see here my silhouette cutting the stickers for the bags once they're packed. But the idea behind it is that when you make products, either yourself or outsourcing it, quite often you have products that aren't perfect, that aren't up to your standard of what you would want to sell full price. So for me, I call them Oopsie products, and rather than me throwing them out, I've decided to put them together as a bundle and then sell at a discounted price. Because again, the products aren't bad, they're not unusable, they're just not up to the standard of quality that I would like to have in my shop. Any products that are completely unusable or have very big defects don't count as Oopsie in my opinion, but the products that I have can have a variety of different issues with it, from unfortunate paper impurity placements, especially in the products that where I use recycled material, so prints and sticker sheets, printer smudges, printed on wrong paper or with the incorrect color setting, so they're darker or lighter than they're supposed to be, cutting error, or really any combination of all of the above, for me counts as Oopsie as long as the product's main purpose is still, like, it can still fulfill that, if that makes sense. So yeah, every single Oopsie bag will have one greeting card, one 5x7 print, one sticker sheet, one sticker pack, and one washi tape sheet or one big sticker, depending on what I have. So as part of the pack, I will make sure that every single product that is in one bag will come from different collections, so you won't have any duplicates in one bag. And I also have the option on my Etsy listing to pick if people don't like celebrate certain holidays. So I have an option for no Halloween, I have an option for no Christmas, and then I have an option for no holiday, so not Halloween or Christmas. And then the fourth one is anything's fine. Right now those two are like the only like holiday-ish products that I have, really. So for now I keep it at that, but if in the future I will make more, I will add that just to give people option of what to pick. Now if someone would pick or order 2 Oopsie bags, I will also make sure that in both bags none of the designs are overlapping if possible. I can't obviously guarantee that, but I have a lot of Oopsie products, so I think I can make it work somehow. If somebody really likes one certain design, feel free to leave that like in the comment section, and then I can make sure if I have an Oopsie of that product or of that design line, I can definitely include that for you. I will be back a little later on in this video to show you a close-up of what products and what faults I consider Oopsie bag worthy and which products I don't consider Oopsie bag worthy. But for now, I hope you enjoy watching me put together the mystery Oopsie bags. Alright, I am back to show you close-up videos of some of the impurities and issues that I have with some of my products, and I'm gonna show close-ups of what I would deem worthy of going into a mystery oopsie bag and what isn't. One of them is if it has print lines. So this one here, actually in the black, I'm not sure how well you can tell. I will input an overlay of it if it's not visible enough. So that's something that I would count as oopsie, for example, because you can still use, theoretically you can still use all of them, because from further away you really can't notice the lines, but up close you can. But it affects 3 out of the 8, so I'm okay with adding that as oopsie. Then this one here is, I don't know if you can, how well you can see that. Again, I'll put an overlay, but while folding, I guess I didn't pre-fold it enough, or like score it enough before I folded it. So it has like rickety edges. And because this is supposed to be a greeting card that you're gifting to someone, this I wouldn't input into the mystery bags, because I wouldn't want anyone to give that to someone else, because the person you're giving it to probably doesn't know that it was an oopsie product. So yeah, so this one I wouldn't add. For stickers, as long as the sticker design, like the main design, is intact and not cut off, I count it as oopsie. So the one that I have in there is the sticker pack. The majority of the sticker packs that I have are of my bunny stickers, and they're just outdated. So that's like the first design that I ever did, and I cut them on my Cricut back then. And I don't think a single sticker sheet turned out nicely, like cut at least. So I've decided to completely redo the designs of it and create new stickers for it. So all of these old ones are going to be in the mystery bags. One, because it's an outdated design that I'm not planning on restocking, but also because of the cuts. So you can see here with this one, you can see it fairly well that it's just not in the middle. And with all of them, really, you can tell. And then cuts like this on these two, you can see the best, like how close it is to the edge. But because the design itself is still completely there, I am okay with adding these as oopsies. You can always, if you don't like the edge being that different, you can always cut off like the other side of it to make it even. But yeah, otherwise these ones I am okay with. This is a print that I just printed on the wrong setting while I was testing out different print settings. So this one just came out darker than I would have liked, but apart from it, it is perfectly fine. It's on the very thick paper. But yeah, it's just not the color that I would like it to be, which is why this would be in the oopsie mystery bags. This one is another print that actually turned out nice, but it is on a paper that I no longer have / want to use. So that's why this one's in there. So again, it looks the way it was supposed to. It's just on too thin of a paper, and paper I don't use anymore, so that's why that is in there. Then these ones. So that's what I meant with before with the stickers. If whatever the sticker design is, as long as it's all there, I'm okay with using it. As you can see with this one, I don't know, this was actually cut with my silhouette. And I'm not entirely sure what happened here, because this was the worst it's ever cut, really. But yeah, this is definitely not something I would include into the bag, because I mean, they look fun and you might be able to use it for like scrapbooking or something like that, but I would not add this. I'm gonna use this myself, the ones that I can, and yeah. Okay, and then the last one is this one here, which everything with it is perfectly fine, except the fact that, again, I'll overlay it if you can't see it on this in this video. There is a little line over here that I'm assuming happened while I was scoring it, and just like little nicks like that. Like this here, I don't mind as much because it's not that visible or noticeable as compared to the edge here. So this one I would include in a mystery bag. Okay. I hope this was helpful for you guys to kind of understand the differences. But yeah, in general, if something, like even if a print has a misprint, either lines or paper impurities, anything like that, as long as you from afar can't tell, then I'm okay with it. So I'm more picky of things that are supposed to be viewed up close. So stickers, for example, is more something, if there's an error with printing, I'm more picky because usually you look at stickers more up close. A print is something that you don't have to, but the goal of it, or the idea of it, is that you hang it on a wall, and then you usually look at it from like a meter more apart. So if you can't notice whatever like the imperfection is from a meter plus away, then I'm okay with adding it as like an Oopsie mystery, but I wouldn't sell it full price because it isn't perfect. But yeah, that's kind of my logic behind it. I hope that makes sense, of like how I pick and choose which ones qualify to go into the mystery Oopsie bags. And for everything else that I don't add, I use myself, and the rest I recycle for things that I can't use. Here you see me printing out the pastel flower sticker sheet that I'm then also going to be cutting on my silhouette. This section here is me restocking mostly sticker sheets, or I think they're all sticker sheets. So yeah, this one is the pastel flower one, which I really like. It's very, I don't know, spring summery with the pastel colors, I feel like. Next up is the weather sticker sheet, which has different weather designs on it, and they all have different facial expressions, from like the sun that is happy to the cloud, the rainy cloud that is not happy. And I think they're very cute, and I really like this one as well. And then there is the love sticker sheet that is perfect for any sort of love themed journal spreads or whatever else you might, want to put stickers on. It's all the designs on this sticker sheet are in the theme of love. So you have a jar of hearts, you have a love letter, you have kissing lips, and so on and so forth. And then last but not least is the washi tape for the pastel flowers. That again, so happy, so spring and summer. I really like it. It is Happy Mail time. This one here is from Baylee Jae. She goes by Baylee Jae Art online. As always, I will link all the details in the description if you want to go and check her out if you do not know her already, which I'm pretty sure you do. But in case you don't, go have a look. I don't remember when I got this package. I'm not gonna lie, it has been a long while. But I still wanted to include it because I went through all the trouble to record it. I figured I might as well include it. Most of the products are probably not even available anymore, but you can still see the art style and all of that. And if you're interested, like I mentioned, feel free to check out the description section. The two stickers I just showed were freebie stickers, and this is the cute business card. She does a lot of bunny things, as you may have noticed by the packaging, and they're all really cute, so I'm all for it. In this little glassine bag are two bunny stickers that I'm repeating myself, but very cute. I love that she put the prints into this envelope that she printed on, a design of hers. So I actually kept the envelope and cut it out. So now I have an extra print that I can hang up on my wall. So I don't know, I thought that was a really good idea. This print is called Hey Guys, and I love her. She's so cute. I'm not sure if I remember all the names. I think this one was called Cloak, but don't quote me on that one. Love the paper that it's on. It's so textured. I have no idea what this one's called, but again, I love it. It's cute with the little girl and the cat on a gigantic leaf. And then I think this is like, I don't know if the best thing ever. It is for me, or it was for me when I ordered it. She made a painting, or she printed a painting on, like, is it canvas? Like the plastic kind of canvas. And it is so cool. Like, I love the color, I love everything about it. But the fact that it's like in a very unnormal, so to say, size, I love the fact even more because it makes it very unique. I haven't been able to find a frame for it yet because it is the very durable material. I don't think it is as important for it to be in a frame as a normal, so to say, paper print would be. And yeah, these are all the products that I got, and I'm very happy with it. now it is time to package an order with me. This one was for 2 of these weather sticker sets. I taped them together just to make sure that they won't move around once they're in the envelope, just to make sure that it stays as flat as possible. And then I added a little thank you note that I attached with one of my Oopsie mini stickers. And as always, no matter how big or small the order, I'm including freebie stickers. In this case, a big silver bunny sticker. Today is going to be a great day sticker and a mushroom sticker. I put that all into an envelope together with my business card, and then I'm closing it up. Here I'm using a wet tissue because nobody wants to lick envelopes these days. And I'm adding a cute little strip of washi tape in the back to make sure it's secured, and then I'm adding a Happy Meal sticker to the front of the envelope. And this is the end of the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.